How to set screen time limits on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to reduce doom scrolling by setting app timers using Digital Wellbeing on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Following that, tap on Digital Wellbeing. Now, you'll see your screen time usage for today displayed at the top. Moving forward, tap on the pie chart or screen time to see all your app usage. You'll see a list of apps and how long you've used each one today. Afterwards, find the app you want to limit, like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Tap on that app to open its settings. You'll see the usage time and a timer icon. Tap on the timer icon or set limit. A time picker will appear where you can set your daily limit. Select the amount of time you want to allow yourself on that app, like 30 minutes or 1 hour, depending on your preference. Tap on Set or OK to confirm your time limit. Once the limit is reached, the app will automatically lock for the rest of the day. You can repeat this process for any other apps you want to limit. This will help you stay focused and reduce unnecessary screen time throughout the day. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you set screen time limits on Samsung, give it a like. Subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.